We've met so many amazing chefs on the show with an array of diverse backgrounds, but there's one thread that connects them all. They all had to start somewhere. Here at NEWTech Skills Center in Spokane, high school juniors and seniors are learning the ins and outs of the culinary world, and director David Ulinchek believes that the mission goes beyond a typical classroom.
The whole purpose of NEWTech is to get kids ready for careers. Everything from auto, construction, professional services, everything we do is from the lens of employability. And our goal isn't just to graduate. Our goal is to help kids take that next step.
You can continue and go to college, or decide that this is your career.
Instructor Eric Cook encourages any student with a passion for cooking to see if this program is right for them.
If they want to devote more of their day to culinary arts, then they should come here. This is the AP program for culinary arts.
No kid wants to sit down for hours and hours and learn from a book.
Instructor Cynthia Monroe channels her passion for cooking and her industry experience to help students get ready for whatever may come after graduation.
I'm teaching you how to go to work. I want you to do 1 plate, 50 plates, 500 plates.
In 1 hour.
In 1 hour. And we don't have the lettuce that we're supposed to have. Now we'll go. What do you do? But for 2 hours and 40 minutes, culinary can be your world.
So what do the students themselves have to say about the program?
All right, so Olivia, what are you doing right now?
I'm working on a palate cleanser for our showcase tonight. It's a lemongrass sorbet. It has basil in it and some soy milk, and it's really good. I'm gonna do spherification of honey pearls on top, which I'm incredibly excited for. I'm also really nervous for.
Do you enjoy baking?
I love baking.
Is that part of one of your favorite things to do in the culinary world?
Absolutely. I want to own a bakery, so
You want to own
this
a
is my
bakery?
favorite thing. I like making soups. I like making new dishes. I like excitement and flavor and something simple and homey, but completely putting a different spin on it.
There's so many skills that I've learned in this class, like breaking down meats and using every piece of what you have to further maximize your product.
It's more of the industrial side where you get like industrial kitchen feel and you know how the real world is going to be like.
I'm a physical learner, and so I go to school. I'm not thinking about math or nothing. I'm just thinking about, ooh, what dessert can I make tomorrow?
And of course, you can't teach culinary arts in Washington without teaching the importance and prosperity of Washington-grown ingredients.
Every year I just try to up the game of how local I can get, because some of these kids didn't see fresh vegetables, right?
You can taste the difference. You can't mimic it. So having local food is really important.
That farmer that you did all those chickens over there that they just did, they worked hard.
Yeah.
They did a lot of work to get that chicken to you. So you need to be able to respect those things along the way.
How much you learn really depends on you. My goal is to be a Michelin star chef. You put the work in and chef will meet you halfway and she'll help you go further and further and further.
Even if you don't end up going to a food-focused career, it still builds up endurance and knowledge of just cooking at home.
Right now, my plan is to go to Washington State University for culinary arts and food science.
I'm going to a culinary program in Oregon.
I want to go to SCC for the pastry program for 2 years, and then after that, I want to open up my own bakery.
I'm pretty sure I'll learn more here than I will at college, but we'll see.
It's been life-changing.
I don't think I'd be able to learn half the things I did without having half the resources. Plus, our kitchen is huge.
There's just certain things you can't learn in a school's kitchen. You have to go here. It's awesome. It's awesome. I 10 out of 10 recommend.